Are you tired of working long hours for low pay? What if we told you that you could earn $10 per minute by simply typing CAPTCHAs? In this video, we'll show you how to make money online in 2023 by solving CAPTCHAs on various platforms such as Megatypers, CAPTCHA and more. With flexible working hours and competitive rates, you can earn a substantial income from the comfort of your own home. Don't miss out on this opportunity to earn big in 2023. Here are the top 5 ways to make money completing CAPTCHAs in 2023. 2CAPTCHA. 2CAPTCHA is a popular platform that offers CAPTCHA solving jobs. It has a respectable number of users and ratings, and you can earn between 20 cents to 80 cents per hour. Megatypers. Megatypers is another legitimate platform where you can earn money by solving CAPTCHAs. It is considered a good option after 2CAPTCHA and offers competitive rates. Megatypers. Megatypers is a well-known CAPTCHA solving website that allows you to earn money by typing CAPTCHAs. It offers flexible working hours and pays between 45 cents to $1.50 per 1,000 CAPTCHAs. CAPTCHA. CAPTCHA is a platform where you can make money by solving CAPTCHAs. It offers competitive rates compared to other similar platforms and is a good option if you have good visual and typing skills. Megatypers. Megatypers is a CAPTCHA solving website that pays you for correctly typing CAPTCHAs. It offers different rates depending on the time of day and the demand for CAPTCHA solving. By working during times when fewer workers are online, you may be able to earn more money. Now, let's look at how to use these platforms for make more money online. 2CAPTCHA is a popular and legit platform that offers CAPTCHA solving jobs. 2CAPTCHA is a CAPTCHA solving service that allows individuals to earn money by solving CAPTCHAs. To start working on 2CAPTCHA, you need a computer with a keyboard or a smartphone. After registering an account on the 2CAPTCHA website, you can begin solving CAPTCHAs and earning money. The platform provides a short training to guide you through the CAPTCHA solving process. The earning potential on 2CAPTCHA varies depending on the type of CAPTCHA being solved. For normal CAPTCHAs or basic CAPTCHAs, image puzzles, you can earn between 14 cents to 60 cents per 1,000 CAPTCHAs. However, the rate for reCAPTCHA V2, which can be solved using their software, is fixed at $1 per 1,000 CAPTCHAs. The rate for each CAPTCHA is displayed on your screen while solving them. The earning potential on 2CAPTCHA is relatively low, with rates ranging from 20 cents to 80 cents per hour. It is important to note that the rates and earnings may vary depending on factors such as the number of CAPTCHAs submitted by customers, the number of workers online, and the complexity of the CAPTCHAs. The payment methods available on 2CAPTCHA include ADV Cash, RTM, cryptocurrency, Payeer, Perfect Money, and Web Money. The payment speed for 2CAPTCHA varies depending on the payment method chosen and can take up to 5 business days. 2CAPTCHA also offers an affiliate program that allows users to earn a commission of 10% of their referrals earnings. Users can also earn a commission of 10% for referrals that pay for CAPTCHA solving services on 2CAPTCHA. It is important to note that some payment methods may not be available in certain countries or regions. If you encounter any issues with payment or have questions about payment methods, you can contact 2CAPTCHA support team for assistance. Megatypers is another legitimate platform where you can earn money by solving CAPTCHAs. It is an online platform where users can earn money by solving CAPTCHAs. CAPTCHAs are tests designed to determine whether the user is human and protect websites from spamming. Megatypers offers a simple and straightforward way to earn money by solving CAPTCHAs. The platform allows you to work as much or as little as you want, providing flexibility in terms of working hours. Megatypers pays you for every CAPTCHA solved, offering a way to earn money from the comfort of your own home. The payment methods available on Megatypers include ADV Cash, LTC, USDT, and local bank transfer. You can instantly withdraw your earned money to your preferred payment method. Megatypers is considered a legitimate platform, but it is always advisable to exercise caution and do thorough research before getting involved. The earning potential on Megatypers may vary depending on factors such as the number of CAPTCHAs solved and the time spent on the platform. It is important to note that CAPTCHA solving jobs, including those on Megatypers, may not provide a substantial income and should be considered as a supplementary source of earnings rather than a full-time job. Megatypers is a well-known CAPTCHA solving website that allows you to earn money by typing CAPTCHAs. Megatypers is a popular platform where users can earn money by solving CAPTCHAs. The platform offers flexible working hours, allowing users to work at their convenience. Megatypers pays between 45 cents to $1.50 for every 1,000 CAPTCHAs solved. The exact pay rate may vary depending on factors such as the type of CAPTCHA and the time spent on the platform. Payment on Megatypers can be made through various methods, including PayPal, Perfect Money, Payza, Western Union, WebMoney, and Bitcoin. Megatypers is free to join, and users can start earning money by solving CAPTCHAs. To work on Megatypers, you need to meet the following requirements: a computer with an internet connection, the ability to type at least 10 words per minute, an average typing speed, an email account, a PayPal or Payza account. Western Union is also accepted as a payment processor. Megatypers offers flexible schedules, allowing users to work at their convenience. It is important to note that while Megatypers is a legitimate platform, the pay rates for CAPTCHA-solving jobs are generally low, and it is important to evaluate the potential income and consider the ethical implications before engaging in such work. Here are the steps to sign up to work on Megatypers. 1. Go to the Megatypers website. 2. Click on the Register button. 3. Fill out the registration form with your personal information, including your name, email address, and payment method, PayPal, Payza, or Western Union. 4. Agree to the terms and conditions of the website. 5. Complete the CAPTCHA to verify that you are not a robot. 6. Click on the Register button to complete the registration process. 7. Once you have registered, you can start working on CAPTCHAs and earning money. CAPTCHA is a platform where you can make money by solving CAPTCHAs. It offers competitive rates compared to other similar platforms and is a good option if you have good visual and typing skills. It is considered a hassle-free work-from-home job that offers an opportunity to make money. CAPTCHA is not your typical online data entry job, but rather a platform where you get paid for solving CAPTCHAs. The platform offers competitive rates compared to other big brands in the same industry. CAPTCHA provides a simple and guaranteed way to have additional income on the internet. To start working on CAPTCHA, you need to use their developed software as a CAPTCHA solver. It is important to note that using any software created by third parties other than CAPTCHA is not recommended for security reasons. CAPTCHA is a legitimate platform that offers compensation for answering CAPTCHAs and provides an opportunity to earn extra income. However, it is important to consider that CAPTCHA-solving jobs, including those on CAPTCHA, may not provide a substantial income and should be considered as a supplementary source of earnings rather than a full-time job. ProTypers is a CAPTCHA-solving website that pays you for correctly typing CAPTCHAs. It offers different rates depending on the time of day and the demand for CAPTCHA solving. By working during times when fewer workers are online, you may be able to earn more money. ProTypers is a CAPTCHA-solving website that allows users to earn money by typing CAPTCHAs. The platform offers different rates depending on the time of day and the demand for CAPTCHA solving. By working during times when fewer workers are online, you may be able to earn more money on ProTypers. The pay rate for solving CAPTCHAs on ProTypers is mentioned to be between 40 cents to $1.25 per 1,000 CAPTCHAs. The exact pay rate may vary depending on factors such as the type of CAPTCHA and the time spent on the platform. Payment on ProTypers can be made through various methods, including PayPal, Payza, Western Union, WebMoney, Perfect Money, Bitcoin, and check. ProTypers is considered a legitimate platform that pays its users for solving CAPTCHAs. Here are the steps to sign up for ProTypers as a CAPTCHA solver. 1. Go to the ProTypers website. 2. Click on the Sign Up button located on the top right corner of the homepage. 3. Fill out the registration form with your personal information, including your name, email address, and payment method: PayPal, Payza, Western Union, WebMoney, Perfect Money, Bitcoin, or check. 4. Agree to the terms and conditions of the website. 5. Complete the CAPTCHA to verify that you are not a robot. 6. Click on the Register button to complete the registration process. 7. Once you have registered, you can start working on CAPTCHAs and earning money by clicking on the Start Working button located on the left sidebar. Subscribe to our channel. Click on the notification bell for more videos. Thank you.